Welcome to LeanTec. I'd like to give you a quick overview of our company and go over some of its features and benefits. LeanTec is an innovative inventory management system originally designed for the automotive industry. Collision repair facilities were experiencing problems with rising costs, insurer controls, theft, waste, and product duplication, which caused shrinking profit margins. So LeanTec set out to develop a way to organize and secure the facility's inventory, track and manage that inventory from anywhere in the world, and overcome problems to increase material profits. Let's go over a few of the benefits. Products are easy to access and organized inside heavy-duty stationary cabinets, mobile carts, or locked rooms. The cabinets and carts are secured with Bluetooth latches and door sensors for round-the-clock security. And LeanTec gives you the ability to set days and times that each technician can access the cabinets. Products are scanned out of cabinets, carts, or rooms with an easy-to-use scanner, which is made up of an iPod Touch inside a scanning base. The scanner communicates with the cabinet and the LeanTec software using the facility's Wi-Fi. Drivers or parts managers use the scanner to deliver products into the stock locations, and techs use it to remove and return items. The brain behind the hardware is an easy-to-use software that can be accessed and monitored on any device 24/7 from anywhere in the world using Wi-Fi. LeanTec has automated product replenishment, which was developed to address the problem of emergency deliveries and cars stuck in the stall when a repair facility ran out of a product. Here's a sample of an automated order that was delivered right on schedule to the branch manager's email, or whoever delivers products to the repair facility. All that's left is to pull the products and deliver the order. LeanTec also keeps track of products that were used on the job but were not included on the original estimate, and allows you to create an invoice for those recoverables, generating additional revenue for the facility. Once a repair facility is set up with LeanTec, this is how the ordering process will work. All products in the cabinet have minimum and maximum stocking levels, and the repair facility sets up a day or multiple days and times when an automated order is sent to the distributor. At the repair facility, the technician scans the product out of the cabinet, which may make that product fall below the minimum stocking level set by the distributor or repair facility. The LeanTec system keeps up with the counts of all products and the min-max levels, and all products that have fallen below their minimum stocking level are automatically put on an order that is sent to the distributor on the facility's order day. At the distributor, the order is printed off and the products are pulled for delivery. The distributor delivers the products to the repair facility, and using the scanner, the driver or parts manager receives the products into the repair facility's inventory and then places each product in its spot in the cabinet or cart. At any time in the process, reports can be generated. The distributor or repair facility can run several different reports, including job details, invoices, purchase orders, inventory count, when a product was delivered, etc. Everything is run behind the scenes by the LeanTec software Profit C. This process ensures that the repair facility has all the right products on time, all the time. If you have any questions about LeanTec, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is to the right and on the LeanTec website under the Contact tab. Thank you for your interest, and we look forward to talking with you soon.